Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make teriyaki chicken. When I was in Toronto and New York City, I didn't know teriyaki chicken is such a popular Japanese food. Somehow, here in Japan, we don't eat teriyaki chicken often. Otherwise, teriyaki burger at McDonald's. So, it's strange. But my cooking class guest asked me how to make teriyaki chicken. I slowly started to create my own recipe. Easy, simple, and yummy recipe. Recipe is super simple. Everything is 1, 1, 1, 1. So we use soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sugar. Those are the basic Japanese seasonings we use almost every day. And if you're not familiar with Japanese home meals, this recipe must be a good chance to start. How about opening your window to the Japanese home meals world? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, teriyaki chicken is done, so let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. The chicken inside is very cooked and also very juicy and fluffy. The teriyaki sauce is well covered with each chicken, so you can enjoy teriyaki flavor in your mouth for a long time. Oishii desu. Delicious. I think this is a basic Japanese home cooking recipe. Please try this recipe as a main dish for the first time. I very recommend, since teriyaki chicken is sweet salty sauce, so maybe you will get bored while eating. So in this case, I recommend to add a little bit spice, like 7 herbs. We say shichimi tougarashi in Japanese, or sansho pepper. It's a type of pepper. I also teach teriyaki chicken recipe on my cooking class, and I'll do some arrangement for this chicken in the class. By the way, this is the globe where my guests come from, and there are some spots still empty. So if you watch this video, and if you have time to come to Japan, Tokyo, please come here, and please add a pin on this globe. I'm very excited. So how was the teriyaki chicken recipe today? I hope you felt it's very simple, easy recipe. So thank you for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye.